Dog, me I walk up and down all over. You know when me can get a pound of pussy for boy?
Oh, no.
Eh?
No, no.
Miss, you have no idea me can get a pound of pussy for boy? I look so nice, fresh pussy, like. You don't know? Alright, have a good day. Excuse me, miss. Good evening. You have any idea me can get a pound of pussy for boy?
Yes.
Where?
Out of Bottom Road.
Bottom Road?
Yes.
You know the best location out there, like which part?
Right, something there. What do you call the place to the bar there? Margaritaville.
You say me can get fresh pussy?
Yes, you can get white, black, pink, yellow, blue, any color you want.
Any color pussy?
Yes.
Alright, thank you very much, yeah?
Okay.
Have a good day. Tell me something. Where me can get a pound of pussy for boy?
A pound of pussy?
Yeah.
Boy, downtown you know. Right around that arcade there, so they sell shoes.
Goat pussy and then see cow pussy.
Eh?
Donkey pussy and then see pound of pussy.
Yeah, you can get that for buy right there, so. Well, you get a pound of pussy.
Where can I get a pound of pussy to buy, ma'am? A pound of pussy?
Pound of pussy?
Yeah.
Never go out there and look at that.
Them the pussy that still. I want fresh pussy for buy.
Fresh pussy.
Well, that's why I ask, that's why I ask.
No, come in some fresh flat for this case. All the pussy women have stale pussy then.
Alright, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah? Have a good evening. I can get a pound of pussy for buy.
Oh, hey, where's that, man?
When I can get a pound of pussy for buy.
I don't want to see that. You know cash out clear?
Yeah. Mohammed Ali.
You know cash out clear?
Yeah, watch out. I ask you a question. I say when I can get a pound of pussy for buy.
So I want old boy.
There, but...
Move your blood clot. A cash out clear?
Yeah, I say watch out. I want a pound of pussy for buy. When I can get a pound of pussy for buy. Man, I want me to ask my question. I say when I can get a pound of pussy for buy.
Blood clot.